Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R for you, all your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time round is I've got a 2014 Citroen C4 Picasso, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the rear brake pads. Rear brake pads, it's got the electronic e-brake, the electronic handbrake. Don't need no software or nothing for this one. If you've got the software, obviously happy days, no problem. Put the software on, put it in brake pad replacement mode. Happy days. I don't have the software for this one. My WOW software will not do it, so I'm going to do it manually. Okay, and most of you guys out there, you know, if you want to do it outside your house, you won't have the software. If you've got it, then happy days. The proper snap-on software, snap-on modus software, I don't have it. The WOW, Delphi, the other ones, they won't do it. Okay, so I'm going to do it manually. Right, so if you've got the software, plug it on the software, put it on the brake pad replacement mode. Happy days, do the job. If you haven't, let's do it this way. Let's go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the ignition on. So ignition is on. Okay. Handbrake is there, the electronic handbrake. So we press the foot brake. Press the foot brake and then handbrake is off. Right, so what we do now is we're gonna, well, I'm doing it on the ramp, so I don't need to put it in gear or anything. But if you're doing it on the floor, make sure you put it in gear, just so it helps, you know, it doesn't roll away. So turn the ignition off. So that should be off now. The brake should be off. Everything should be off. Do not go and turn the ignition on during the job. Make sure it stays off. Handbrake is off. Ignition is off. Let's get out. Okay, we've sent the car up on the ramp. The next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this unit off. So we're going to go ahead and take that little Allen key off here. Size 5 Allen key. One there. One here. Sorry about the noise in the background. But so take this Allen key off. And we're going to go ahead and take that Allen key off. And hopefully that electronic actuator should come straight off. Right, once we've taken these two bolts off, this one and this one, size 5 Allen key, this unit should come straight off. Let me see if I can show you guys. Just give it a little bit of persuading. There we go. Happy days. That's off. Just put that to a side there. Leave it to a side. As you can see there, we've got a Torx there. I think it's a Torx 40 or a 45, and we're going to turn that. It depends which side you're on, anti-clockwise or clockwise, so make sure it goes all the way back in. This is the passenger side one I'm doing, and on the passenger side one you're going to be turning it clockwise. Okay, just bear that in mind. Passenger side UK, turning it clockwise. On the driver side, which is this side, my brother's doing that side, it's going to be anti-clockwise. So clockwise on this side, anti-clockwise on the other side. Let's go, let's do it. Just turn it, carry on turning it until it stops, basically. Okay, there you go, it stopped, it's locked up. I went clockwise, passenger side, clockwise. After that, what we're going to do is, that's locked up there. E12 Torx. Okay, E12 Torx, we're going to take that one off. I'm going to take that one off there. I've already started taking that one off. This one as well, I've already cracked it. Take them two off. E12 Torx. Like that. Take them two off. Take the caliper off. Right, and all we do now is get a wind back tool or big dogs. I wouldn't recommend you using big dogs on it. Just get a wind back tool and push that piston in. Just treat it like any brake pad job now. Push that back in. Take the pads off here. You can see there. That one's jammed up. I'm going to get a screwdriver on that. Flat screwdriver. Pry that off. And let's do it. You can see there, I've got the wind back tool onto it. Just going to press it straight in. There we go. It's that loose, I can even do it with my hand. Just wind that in all the way to the end and we're good to go. Okay guys, as for the brake pads, right, there are two different brake pads for either side. Okay, the inner brake pad has got a little protrusion there, as you can see. Just make it out 1 minute. A little dot there, okay, which just protrudes out, as you can see there. That needs to go on the inside, okay? It goes on the inside and it needs to line up with them cutouts. Can you see them two cutouts? So if you need to adjust it a little bit, just adjust it to them cutouts, this cutout here or this cutout there here. Just wind it out if you need to wind it out a little bit, just to get it lined up with that. Should be all right, and we should be all good to go, ready to go. So let's go. So okay, as you can see there, I've got the brake pads on there. The one with the little dot on it, the little protrusion on it, that's on the inside. And as you can see there, that caliper there. What we'll do now is, before I do anything, put a bit of copper, not copper grease. I've got this new thing, a ceramic grease. I'll show you guys. Right, normally back in the days we used to use the copper grease, which you still can use it, but they've got this new one here, the ceramic grease, brake grease, which I think is a lot better, because copper grease, it is metal end of the day, and it will tend to overheat. Ceramic grease, on the other hand, I think it should be a lot better. Well, I'm trying it for the first time. So get some ceramic grease on there, and let's refit it. Let's go. So we've got a bit of grease there, a bit of grease on the inside. So then what we do is, as you can see here, if I hold it like that, that protrusion there should line up exactly with that little dot there on the inner brake pad. So hopefully I'll go like that. Boom, there we go, that's in. Lined up as well. I can't really show you guys obviously because the caliper goes in, but it has lined up. If it doesn't line up, it won't go on properly. So if it goes on nice and easy, it means it's lined up. Right, so what we do now is get these two bolts on. Right, we're going to get that actuator back on there. Right, and yeah, happy days, job done. Well, that's it guys, that's all done and dusted. I've got the brake pads on, wheels back on, everything is on, the actuator, everything is back on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to send the car down, okay, and all you have to do now is pump the brakes up a few times, give it a little pump, and then just turn the handbrake on. That's it, happy days, job done. So ignition is back on guys. I'm going to pump the brakes a few times, pumped up. All we do now is handbrake on, foot on the brake, handbrake on. Boom, happy days, job done, let's go. Anyway guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, try my best. Please don't slag me off. Team R4UL, Raoul TV, trying to hook you guys up. All I'm going to say is please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time. See you guys. Bye.